Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, how are you doing today?
Hi, day 62 of the Quarantine Gardeners, that's us. This is our daily video log of us being quarantined and gardening out in our gardens while we're under quarantine. And we're doing this to just let people see what we're doing, maybe give them some ideas, maybe some inspiration. So here we are.
Thank you to all of you who've subscribed and are following along daily. We really appreciate it, and we look forward to making more videos to show you.
So guys, we do garden care videos too, so go ahead and subscribe so you get updates when we release those.
And today we're in our front yard because we found some surprises that we want to show you.
Surprise!
And wonder if this ever happens to you.
So we planted a bunch of vegetables out here, mainly cucumbers, squash, tomatoes, tomatillos, all sorts of different things out here. And last year, they did great. They produced a lot for us. And when we were cleaning them up, we noticed that some of the tomatoes and different fruits out here and vegetables, they actually dropped to the ground. And we had no idea what was going to happen this spring, which is new plants. They germinated. All the seeds and the fruit that was in those seeds actually germinated.
So we're excited to show you because at this point, Sean and I can only guess what we think some of this stuff is. There's a lot of it. This happened to us last year as well in a different part of our garden, and we literally had a grove of tomatillos. But we didn't know they were tomatillos until, well into their establishment and their growth. So we'll show you, and you can see if you can guess along with us.
So we're going to start a quick tour of our surprise plants out in our front yard. Now, look at this guy. This was a tiny little guy, probably about, I don't know, about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. And look at him now. The leaves are almost as big as my hand.
It's obviously a squash, right? But we had winter squash and we had what's called pink banana jumbo squash along this side here. So it could be either one of these. It could even be a zucchini.
Yep, we're not gonna know until a little bit later. Now look at these guys over here next to it.
Yeah.
Now the plant on the right, we think is a tomatillo because of its leaves and just how it's looking all shiny.
Which we're really, really hoping is a tomatillo.
Ah, because we love
Oh,
tomatillos.
geez, there's another one.
Oh, another
one.
plant. And another one. We got them coming up everywhere.
And another one. Ah!
They're over here too.
These we're pretty sure, these are all tomatoes.
Yep.
But we don't know what kind.
And we had different tomatoes over here too last year. So we're not really sure what we're gonna get until they actually start bearing fruit. But I mean, they're everywhere, everybody.
I mean, look, there's even tomatoes growing under here.
Dun, da, da, da.
So the problem is we actually need to transplant pretty much everything in this bed because we had another plan for this whole bed. We were gonna do a cut flower garden in here, interspersed with maybe a couple veggies. But this is overwhelming. And again, you guys, we did not plant any of these seeds. These are all from last year. We're in a different section of our yard now, and oh my gosh, you guys, these are all tomatoes. It's literally a grove, and it keeps going. They're over here. They're over here.
They're underneath this lily.
Underneath our lily.
There's
Here's some more. If we zoom out a little bit, we'll show you. This is our largest bed. And we actually planted way too many tomatoes in here and tomatillos. We got very excited, planted them a little closer together because we wanted to produce a lot of fruit, and we did. And then it turned to seed, and this is what we're seeing. So like we said, you guys, the problem is we need to remove and transplant all of those tomatoes and whatever else is growing.
We'll put them in different places around the yard, especially over in the side garden if there's some room, but we'll see.
The tomatoes we are really hoping are sun gold because those are some of our favorite tomatoes. And they were grown in that area. There's a tomato we grew last year called a chocolate cherry, and those were delicious.
Really good.
So we're kind of hoping for a blend of those two types of tomatoes. That would be pretty cool.
Yep. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us so we can get back to you. Let us know we're doing a good job by hitting that thumbs up button. And also subscribe to our channel so you get updates on videos like our Quarantine Gardeners videos and our plant care videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with another new project on day 63.
Until then, stay safe and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.